Yeah, you about got put into a ditch because you don't want to pull over. I'm True Porter State Police. Reason pulled you over. One, I saw you swerve big time. Two, your tags are expired. Don't show any insurance. As soon as you saw me back there, you started like moving around inside your vehicle. I don't know what you're doing, but you didn't want to pull over there for a good little bit. I don't know what the deal is. You got an ID on you, a license?
I just want my friend to get my dog. That's all.
That's fine. Your friend can come get your dog.
Please.
Your friend can come get your dog.
Hey, Buddha.
I said your... Sure, he's fortunate to go around here. He's solid enough. You're blocking the entire lane, pull to the shoulder. This would be the point where you stop.
31-6, give me an easy way.
I think I'm alright. He's slow rolling, coming to a stop. I know you saw me back there. Yeah, you about got put into a ditch because you don't want to pull over. I'm True Porter State Police. Reason pulled you over. One, I saw you swerve big time. Two, your tags are expired. Don't show any insurance. As soon as you saw me back there, you started like moving around inside your vehicle. I don't know what you're doing, but you didn't want to pull over there for a good little bit. I don't know what the deal is. You got an ID on you, a license? Had anything to drink today? So if I PBT, you're going to blow all zeros? Why didn't we pull over way back there?
Oh, it's trying to be safe.
Do you have insurance on your vehicle? I can smell it, man. How much you had? I've asked for your license. I've asked for insurance. And I can also smell the odor of intoxicants coming from in here. So you can either be truthful with me or just lie the whole time. Are you that pink copy right there? The pink copy. Jesus. That would be your... Are you still under this suspension date? Here's this. Be right back with you. I can see the open.
Watch the color.
Go ahead and step out for me. 1037.
Step out! Step out now! Hands up! Hands up!
Yeah, you just got that serious. Step back here. Put the dog up so he don't get out.
I don't give a crap!
Listen to me.
Shut that door.
Come back here. Back up. Back up! Come back over here. Do you see what's on you right now? Now. Jonathan, you're not listening. Back up. Jonathan, come here.
I just want my friend to get my dog. That's all.
That's fine.
Put that out.
Your friend can come get your dog.
Please.
Your friend can come get your dog.
Hey, Buddha.
I said your friend can come get your dog.
Yes, sir.
But let go of the phone.
Okay. Okay.
10:15. Now, was that hard? Shut up. I don't give a damn about your dog. No, or your phone. You'll sit right here.
I got one fucking life, that's it.
That's pretty stupid, man. Huh? You know? Actually, we should just call the animal controls for your dog. How about that?
No, please.
Well, you don't ever actually care, or else you'd have pulled over.
That's
Woo!
the only reason I cared about what
31 and 36 on me, please.
it's just a little tiny bit of weed, some gloves, so
Yeah.
let me get some gloves.
I'll get some. Guess what? It's still a charge for you.
Good. I'm going to be 10-8 on that low trouble call. I'm not going to do a report, but if we don't have them already, can we set up extra patrols for the evening and for the morning for about a week there?
I'm not done with that one.
Well, you just were. We should have hit your car so you'd never be able to drive it again.
I was literally trying to come to this parking lot because I was scared for my dog.
But nobody I told you to step out of the vehicle, and you threw it in drive and took off.
Yeah, to go.
Yeah, but guess what? I didn't tell you to do anything.
It was literally because of my dog.
And literally, you're going to catch a felon or a fleeing charge on this, plus the DWI. Next up. See if Fortunate Animal Control's out.
No, please.
No, I'm not going to sit here and wait for your friend or whoever.
You want to make this difficult?
31 and 6 on me, please.
I really don't.
I don't believe so.
I just thought if I was in this parking lot, then my dog would be
You should have communicated that instead of throwing it in drive when I asked you to step out of the vehicle.
I know, I can't.
Yeah, you fucked up.
I did.
And then you resisted here. It would not give us your hands. So you've got plenty of charges coming your way.
Hold on, today, bad address.
Oh, goodness.
Freaking, you good?
Let me get some, yeah, let me
34, what time that is?
Could have just done this the easy way.
What time is it?
I did.
Go ahead.
I didn't want my car retowed.
John's the way, hello.
Well, it's getting towed. Simple.
Please, please.
There's no please, man.
Please, my dog. Can you go to family?
Let's go this way.
That's all I beg of you.
I'm not even going to trust anything else out of your mouth. Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
You're going to get thrown in the car if you don't just sit down and get in there.
Okay.
Now.
Yes, sir.
Well, then do it. Okay. No. Sit down. You can't do anything but listen.
No, I was going to ask.
Huh?
What's your dog's name? Johnson.
Johnson?
John Snow.
John Snow.
He has his He's.
Yeah, I got a leash.
Come on, Jon Snow. Oh. He's all love. There you go. Fuck.
Good. 14 feet, take over and we'll throw me in it. She's in the car right now, but they're not going to get us back.
Where's his phone?
Sir. Hey, officer.
Is this the person that could come get this dog?
I was trying to tell him before when he called me the first time. I don't have the gas, and honestly, I don't have insurance on my vehicle.
You don't have the gas and don't have insurance, come get it.
Can I give gas money or?
We're not going to just play back and forth with gas money. He don't have insurance. He doesn't want to drive his vehicle.
Can he ask someone to come get ask my dad? Can I call my dad?
Where's your dad live?
Just like a few minutes from here. Please, sir, it's my dog. I've raised him since he could fit in my pocket.
Huh?
I've had him since he could fit in my pocket.
I get that. I have two dogs. I very much so love dogs. But I also don't love when criminals decide to throw it in drive on me and flee. That's exactly what you did, and that's exactly what you'll charge with, and that's exactly what any court will see.
Yeah, I just thought that if I parked right here, my dog would be safe.
I wouldn't have allowed you to drive anymore because I could have smelled the odor. I can smell the odor of intoxicant all over you. That's it. I asked you to step out and you threw it in drive. I watched you.
I know.
What's your dad's name?
It's Dad.
Okay, it doesn't show just Dad, right?
Yeah, maybe Daddy-O Spiotto, if not Dad.
The wireless customer you are calling is not
Click it again,
available.
please.
What?
Please click it again. I know you're mad. Please.
Yeah, because my right pet is hurting right now because of when you resisted. That's what's hurting right now. When you wouldn't give us your hands, my whole right side right here is not feeling good right now. So guess what? That could be something.
I was scared on my dog.
I don't care if you're scared. If you would just cooperate and listen, none of this would even happen.
Please, hey, sir, can we call Jacob?
Something. Yeah, that's one. Hey. Hello.
My mom will answer. Can we call her, please?
He saw me over there.
Oh yeah, I saw you.
I was over there by Texas on the whoop. I'm gonna head that way.
His dad won't answer. It's going straight to voicemail, and I even let the friend, but the friend don't want to drive over here because he don't have insurance or gas money. So we'll just keep Fort Smith K9 thing in route. Animal control or whoever. But he's driving on DWI suspended license right now. Yeah, these aren't open yet, so. But the one was. I appreciate it.
ahead.
1109 H Street, 41.
Can we call my mom?